Isn't it the worst when you're all hyped to clean and your steam cleaner's out here taking a full coffee break? Like, girl, can you steam already? The Pressurized Handheld Steam Cleaner, tiny but fierce, heats up in like 3 to 5 minutes and shoots out super hot 230 degrees Fahrenheit steam for around 10 minutes. It's perfect for quick hits. Tiles, grout, car seats, even kids' toys. Comes with 12 attachments and it's 100% chemical-free, which is a win if you've got pets or little humans running around. Downside, the water tank's baby-sized. You'll be refilling mid-clean if you're tackling anything big. But for small messes, kinda clutch. The PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop. This one's for the multitaskers. Heats up in 30 seconds, like blink, and it's ready. You can mop floors, then detach it and steam your curtains, couch, even your wrinkled hoodie. It swivels under furniture like a pro and comes with all the tools. Grout brush, squeegee, even a carpet glider. Basically, it's the Swiss Army knife of steamers. Now, if you're the type that deep cleans like it's a personality trait, the Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner is your girl. This thing is a machine. You get up to 50 minutes of non-stop steam, and it's strong enough to melt grime off literally anything. Comes with 17 pieces, so you're geared up for every kind of mess. It's definitely bulkier, but if you're cleaning a whole house, or just like things super clean, it's worth it. Which design will you be choosing for your home? Don't want to waste hours hunting for the best finds? Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned.